Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, still Thursday, June the 29th, 2023. Almost end of the month, and in this additional I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one the binary. Yes, you are interested in the binary number 6675. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And then between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finished in 2 minutes. Well. This one is quick to solve, yes. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. The last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.